Yo, hello guys, Switch here with another app, and today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the new miner app. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to open this on my tablet, so I might struggle a bit. Need to read actually from the screen, but just give me a second. I might do like so. Okay. It's like super self-explanatory app. You're just going in, you're just pressing this school, and then you have a timer. It's going to tell you like press it, and then I don't know how many hours is it 8 hours or 6 hours, and then every 6 or 8 hours or whatever it is, you're going to press again, and then you're just gonna mine basically the schools, and pretty much that's it. I think this is like super new app. Currently we have 34,000 monthly users, so maybe not that new, but it's definitely in development because there's lots of stuff which we are not really able to use yet. So we have the home tab, then we have the Skulldy board, so it's going to be a leaderboard. Then we are having the schools, so you can use my ref, obviously. Really appreciate that, so I will have more points from you guys. And at the end of the day, I don't really have like much more information about this. It just seems like super easy to run. You don't need to pay anything. At the end of the day, just running in the background on your system, and that's the idea of this channel, to gather as much as humanly possible, to be able to consistently run them aside and just basically make some airdrops, because at the end of the day, for me, if I'm running this aside and I can get even like 2 tons or 1 ton, and I'm going to run like 50 miners and I will get 50 tons on the airdrop, it's like a win for me, because then I can allocate those resources, those assets, into different other apps and make basically sustain income. Just basically we need to choose the apps which they're going to remain in the ecosystem. We just need to be smart with this, but at the end of the day, we don't really know all apps we're going to run, they're going to be still alive like, I don't know, a couple of years from now. So it's obviously hard to understand what's going to happen in the future, or hard to predict, maybe that's the word. But some of the apps definitely we are going to be able to make like a sustained income, and one of those apps is the HAMSTERverse universe, HAMSTERverse. So definitely dive into HAMSTERverse, definitely dive into BUMPS, and definitely dive into the TOYGERS project, which I'm just going to maybe show you super fast. And we're just going to finish this video because there's nothing really much more to talk to. Can I show you? Well, I'm not on that screen right now, but I can do like that, and then we can see. So yeah, just dive to the TOYGERS as well. I'm not going to talk about this because I've been talking like almost in every video, and then you have a separate playlist, so there's no really point me to talk. But one thing what you really want to know is those points here. By the way, thank you very much guys for joining me. 10 people join me, so I appreciate that. Those points over there in the corner, you will be able to use them for lots of cool stuff. And by the way, my toy builder will be unlocking in the today or either tomorrow, I don't know. I think tomorrow is going to be last day, so stay tuned for this one. I will do the announcement and I will just walk you through what you can possibly achieve or get from the toy builder. Okay, dokie, so thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. It was a short video, but like I said, it's like nothing really much more to talk about the Skulldy, but definitely I like the idea. I like this. We don't need to spend any money, and I like that. Like, we don't need to spend any money and we can get something from it. So that's like easy win. So take care, have a good one, and see you in the next video.